gentlemen, it's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is 6:55. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We ask that you please use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from any items that may have shifted during the flight. You may now use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. On behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, and especially this Fort Lauderdale-based flight attendant crew, thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon. We'd also like to take a moment to apologize for our late arrival here into Fort Lauderdale. Of course, it was due to air traffic control. We do appreciate your understanding. Thank you very much, and have a very pleasant evening.